Specially designed for baby and easy to grasp, training your baby's finger grip ability and empowerment. The power of wrist. The Rattle Baby Hearing. Stimulate the baby's hearing. The best gift for your baby. More suit for 6 mouth up to 2 years old baby. Product description. Here, find soft plush animal baby rattle toy. Take along with safety for style. Our advantage. This plush toy is recommended for babies from birth on up, is a very suitable for playing and napping. Cooperation in the development of child development experts from Yale University and the promotion of mother and baby interaction. Encourage tummy time fun and support the development of a healthy body and senses. Stimulate baby / visual and auditory skills while supporting healthy eye development. What / is in the boxes? 1X plush toy.